How to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone. Hey everyone, I'll walk you through the official method to transfer all your WhatsApp messages, including photos, videos, and voice notes from Android to iPhone. The process is easier than you think, so let's dive right in. On your Android, connect to Wi-Fi and charge both phones. Go to Google Play Store. Install the Move to iOS app from Google Play Store. This official Apple app makes transferring secure and simple. On your new iPhone, begin setup until you reach Apps and Data. Select Move Data from Android, tap Continue. A 6-digit code will appear. Keep this screen open. Open Move to iOS app on Android. Tap Continue, and then go through all the terms and conditions and agree them. Enter the code from your iPhone. Pro tip, for faster transfer, use the optional cable connection. Select WhatsApp from Transfer Options. Tap Start. Wait while WhatsApp prepares your data. May take several minutes. Don't exit the app. This ensures no data gets lost. Install WhatsApp from App Store on iPhone. Open WhatsApp. Tap Import when prompted. Your chats will restore automatically. And just like that, all your WhatsApp memories are now on your new iPhone. If this tutorial saved you hours of stress, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech guides. Thanks for watching and welcome to the iPhone family.